Our word of the week this week is read. Is it read, reads, or reading? She likes to read. You can point to the letters or trace. R, E, A, D. Read. She is reading. Point to the letters or trace. R, E, A, D, I, N, G. Reading. His dad reads to him. Point to the letters or trace. R, E, A, D, S. Reads. They are reading. Point to the letters or trace. R, E, A, D, I, N, G. Reading. She reads to her bear at night. Point to the letters or trace. R, E, A, D, S. Reads. Let's talk about the parts of a book. If you want to cut out your word bank first, you can go ahead and cut those out. The Cricket in Times Square. Can you point to the title? Do you see those pink words that say, the pink word that says cricket? The Cricket in Times Square. That's the title of the book. Go to your word bank and find title. Title. Put the word title, glue on right here, and your arrow points to the title. Under the title it says, by George Selden. That's the author of the book. We're going to find the word author. We're going to glue it right here. That is the author of the book, George Selden. At the bottom it says drawings by Garth Williams. The illustrator is Garth Williams. The illustrator draws all the pictures in the book. Glue the word illustrator. All right, you can cut out your words for your word bank. Front cover and back cover. And table of contents. Front cover and back cover, and table of contents. The Cricket in Times Square by George Selden. That is our front cover. This is our back cover. And this tells us where everything is in our book. This is called the table of contents. All right, let's look at all the different types of books. We have cookbooks. There's a book about animals. Gold and Dreams. Cool book about soccer, Canadian women's soccer. There's a picture book with animals. That looks like a hard book. And there's a song book. It says Summer Showers and Swing. I think Jess looks at songbooks when she plays the piano and sings songs in music class. Do you have any books at home? What kind of books do you like? Is it a book or is it not a book? Which one is not a book? Can you put an X on it? Table is not a book. Put an X on table. It is not a book. Which one is not a book? Yeah, that sofa is not a book. Put an X on that sofa. Which one is not a book? Yeah, that table, that's not a book. Put an X on that table. What can you do in the library? Let's circle some things that you do in the library. Do you read books in the library, eat dinner in the library, or sleep in the library? Yeah, you read books in the library. Circle reading books in the library. Do you run in the library? Listen to a story in the library? Or take a bubble bath in the library? You listen to books in the library. Listen to Carol read stories in the library. Circle. Do you look at the computer in the library and do work? Do you play ball in the library? Do you use a pencil and paper and write things down in the library? I think I see 2 pictures of things you do in the library. I think you might look at the computer sometimes, or maybe the smartboard, or maybe Carol's computer. And you do work in the library with your paper and your pencil. And you write things down in the library. In the library, we read books. Carol and Phoebe work in the library. Great job doing your work. You are all finished.